Want to take control of your inbox and stop wasting time sorting emails? Today, I'll show you how to set up Gmail filters in just a few simple steps. Filters automatically organize your emails so important messages never get lost and unwanted clutter disappears. First, open your Gmail account and look for the small gear icon in the top right corner. Click it, then select See All Settings. Once inside Settings, find the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab at the top and click it. Here, you can create and manage all your filters. Hit the Create a New Filter button. A small window will pop up asking for filter criteria. For example, if you want to automatically handle emails that mention discount, type that into the Has the Words field. You can also set other criteria if you like, but keeping it simple works perfectly. Next, click Create Filter at the bottom right. You'll now see a list of actions Gmail can take when emails match your criteria. You can automatically delete them, archive them, mark as important, or even label them. If you want the filter to apply to existing emails, check Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. Once you're ready, click Create Filter one last time and it's done. And just like that, your Gmail is now smarter and more organized. You can always return to the filter section to edit or remove filters anytime. Say goodbye to inbox chaos and hello to effortless email management.